turkey figs, black mission figs, any fig in general that you buy at a nursery, I highly recommend that before you plant these trees, you do root pruning, because these trees have been in a pot for more than 2 years. As you can see, if you can zoom in on the pot, you see these roots are circling around the pot all the way, these feeder roots, and that happens all the way down. There's not enough soil medium anymore. I can guarantee you it's 80-90% root, very little soil medium left in the pots. So if anybody is going to come out here to any nursery and buy trees as big as this, what I would suggest you do is during winter time, once the trees go dormant, you remove it out of the pot and you cut at least 20 to 30% of the root. Leave 80% and I will trim it to be much shorter. That way, when you plant the tree, it establishes and is able to grow new roots. Because if you plant it like this, there's a high chance that it's going to die on you, unfortunately. That's all I wanted to say about these figs. In their natural habitat, pomegranates prefer being bushes if left untrained. But as you can see, this pomegranate here has been trimmed completely into a tree. That way you can have a majestic shade tree on top, pick the fruits from the top, beautiful flowers. Now these are in 15 gallons. As you can see, they look pretty root bound. So if you ever go to a nursery and you're thinking of buying a tree this big, and most of the times they've been in the pot for more than 2 years, you can tell by the size. The size is great compared to the pot. So I can guarantee you that the pot is root bound. So I would highly suggest everybody that is trying to plant these trees into the ground, if you're gonna invest $129 or $80 into a tree this height, before you plant it during the dormant season, once all the leaves fall off, I suggest that you cut at least, basically, let's say this is a root ball, like a cake. Just slice 30% of the root. That way you can refresh the tree once you plant it into the ground and give it a chance at establishing itself. Since you're removing a lot of the roots, I also suggest you cut 30-40% of the top canopy. That way you can refresh the tree, plant it into the ground. That'll ensure guaranteed growth, and that'll ensure a good fighting chance opportunity for this pomegranate to grow in these desert climates. Thank you.